Step number 1. Install the side wings. Install the side wings to the transmission skid plate with the 13mm nuts. Do not tighten the 13mm nuts. Step number 2. Install the cross-member brackets. Install the 4 cross-member brackets onto the top of the cross-member brace. Step number 3. Remove the 15mm bolt from the transfer skid. Step number 4. Install the clip nut. Step number 5. Install the transmission skid plate. Install 4 of the 6mm Allen bolts and washers, but do not tighten. Step number 6. Install the cross-member bolts. Install the 4 cross-member 5mm Allen bolts with a washer and the black insert. Do not tighten the 5mm Allen bolts. Step number 7. Tighten the 6mm Allen bolts. Tighten all 4 of the 6mm Allen bolts to 25 foot-pounds. Step number 8. Tighten the 5mm Allen bolts. Tighten all 4 of the 5mm Allen bolts to 15 foot-pounds. Step number 9. Tighten the 13mm side wing nuts. Tighten all 10 of the 13mm nuts.